There are so many different brands and types of colored pencils out there. How do you decide which brands or which types of colored pencils are best for you as an artist? Well, in this video, we'll attempt to answer that question. Hello there everyone, Matt here with thevirtualinstructor.com, and in this video we're going to take a look at a few brands of colored pencils and some of the characteristics of those brands of colored pencils. And in the end, hopefully we're going to answer the question, which brand or which type of colored pencils are best for you. If you're brand new to the channel, or if you haven't done so yet, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you're notified when we upload new videos like this. And if you want to take your drawing and painting skills to another level, I suggest you check out our membership program, which includes a variety of drawing and painting courses on a variety of subject matter and media, including several courses on colored pencils, weekly critiques as part of the Members Minute, weekly live lessons as well that are presented in series, and a year-long curriculum for visual arts teachers. If you want to check out our membership program, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to just check out 3 of our course videos and ebooks for free, I'll also leave a link in the description below for that as well, so you can check that out. Now, let's talk for a minute about colored pencils. Let's be honest, the quality of the materials that you use to create art matters. And of course, we all want to use the best. But what exactly is the best? How do we determine what art materials we should use as artists? Some of us are trapped in an endless search for the best, constantly buying the next best colored pencil or any other art material for that matter. You know who you are. And with so many types and brands of colored pencils out there, it's easy to get lost and wrapped up in all of this stuff. There's colored pencils, colored graphite pencils, watercolor pencils, and more. Well, in this video, we're only going to focus on true colored pencils, those with a wax-based or oil-based binder. We're also only going to focus on professional level colored pencils. So for this one, Crayola, you're out of the mix. I've created so many colored pencil drawings with so many brands of colored pencils that I've learned quite a bit. And I'd like to share with you what I've learned so that you can make an informed decision on what colored pencils are best for you. But before we get into this, I want to make it clear that all brands and all types of colored pencils have their pros and cons. And you need to weigh these in order to decide which brand or which type of colored pencil is best for you. Instead of examining every single brand of colored pencil out there, I'm going to simplify things and focus on 3 of the most popular brands available. These brands are Prismacolor Premier colored pencils, Faber-Castell Polychromos colored pencils, and Caran Luminance pencils. Now, if none of these brands appeal to you, keep watching. I'm going to briefly weigh the pros and cons of each one of these brands of pencils, but you may find that none of these are the best, and you'll see why in a moment. Let's start with Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. Prismacolor Premier colored pencils are soft-core, wax-based colored pencils that are now widely available nearly everywhere. They're rich and buttery, layer easily, and the pigmentation is quite nice and consistent. Perhaps the biggest drawback to these pencils is how brittle they are. Because the core is so soft, sometimes they break when sharpened. For this reason, some people hate them. But for me, they're my favorite. I like the way they layer and mix. I deal with the brittle cores because the way they work on the surface matters more to me. These pencils are available in 150 colors, so there's quite a bit of variety as well. Now, let's look briefly at Polychromos pencils by Faber-Castell. These oil-based pencils feature cores that are harder than Premier pencils. They're a bit more expensive, but the pigmentation is strong and consistent. Since these pencils are a bit harder, layering is a must. But layering leads to depth and color. Those who like to layer applications with a lighter touch may prefer these pencils for this very reason. As an added bonus, the tip of these pencils tend to stay sharper for a longer period of time. I absolutely love these pencils, and they're available in 120 colors. The biggest drawback to these pencils is that they may accentuate the tooth or texture of the paper. So those that require a solid application will need to be patient to achieve this look. Plus, less colors are available compared to the Premier pencils. And these pencils are quite expensive as well, and they may not be available everywhere in the world. Now, let's talk about Luminance pencils by Caran. Of the 3, these pencils are the brightest. The pigmentation of these wax-based pencils is very strong. These pencils work great on darker surfaces. Luminance pencils are harder than Premier pencils, but softer than Polychromos pencils. But colors unfortunately are limited, with only 100 available in this line. So which pencils are right for you? Should you go with the softest, The brightest are the ones that layer easily. Now, I could spend hours and hours weighing the pros and cons of all the different tons of different brands and types of colored pencils out there. But here's the truth. Any brand of colored pencil will perform in the hands of a trained and practiced artist. It's not the colored pencil that makes the art, it's the artist. I suggest finding a brand that feels best to you and the way you like to work, and then practice your technique. And it may very well not be one of the brands that we discussed. Buy a starter set or just a few pencils to try so you don't break the bank. And when you find a brand that jives with you, then buy a larger set of colors. Stop the endless searching for the best. The next shiny best colored pencil that boasts that it's better than the rest. Instead, focus on your drawing skills. Yes, quality matters, but your skills matter more. Once you find a brand that you like and you practice, your confidence will build with that brand or type of colored pencil. And that confidence will show in what you create. So what are the best colored pencils? Well, that really depends on you. What might be best for me may not be best for you. It all depends on how you like to work and what materials give you the confidence to create at the highest level.